Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Nintendo account on your Switch and launching Fortnite. This ensures the platform recognizes purchases. Once done, make sure your Epic Games account is linked inside Fortnite settings. That connection lets V-Bucks transfer correctly. Next, open the Nintendo eShop and select Enter Code, so you're ready to input the gift card. Do this now so the code is applied to your Nintendo wallet or Fortnite entitlement instead of a different platform. On the Switch, go to the Nintendo eShop, choose your profile, and pick Enter Code. Type the 16-character code exactly, using hyphens only if shown. After you confirm, the eShop will apply the card to your account. If it's a direct Fortnite card, the V-Bucks or item will appear in Fortnite's store. Make sure to launch Fortnite after redeeming so the game can sync with Nintendo's purchase system and credit your in-game wallet. Complete the process by opening Fortnite and verifying your V-Bucks or item in the store or locker. You should see the credit immediately. If nothing appears, sign out and restart the Switch, then relaunch Fortnite to force a sync. Make sure the Epic account linked is the same one you used. Mismatched accounts are the most common issue. If the code is rejected or the balance is still missing after these steps, contact Nintendo support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.